Endangered species need protection. To persuade my audience of the protection that endangered species need, my central idea, there needs to be a lot of protection for a lot of wildlife because being endangered means that there is a risk a species could go extinct, and that would have a big effect on the ecosystem. The effects of an animal being endangered. When a species is endangered, that triggers the loss of other species and has a major impact on the whole entire ecosystem. Every animal in the food chain depends on one another. According to National Wildlife Federation.org, the Endangered Species Act was enacted by Congress in 1973 under the ESA. The federal government has the responsibility to protect the endangered species. Species being endangered impacts the ecosystem and the rest of the food chain. This has a negative impact on the economy, and this also affects humans as well. Species being endangered affects the environment/ecosystem. When a species is endangered, that puts the rest of the ecosystem at risk because it can affect the food chain. Every animal that is in the food chain depends on each other, and the loss of one species triggers the loss of the other. The foundation of a healthy ecosystem are the plant and animal species the ecosystem depends on. If a species becomes endangered, that is a major sign that the ecosystem is falling apart. Biodiversity is the variety of different species of life on Earth. Endangered species are the essential component of biodiversity, and their loss can have a huge impact on the ecosystem. Humans can be negatively affected by species being endangered. Humans depend on healthy ecosystems to purify the environment. Without healthy forests, grasslands, rivers, and oceans and other ecosystems, we would not have clean air, water, and land. Humans depend on the ecosystems as well as the animals and plants. Endangered species can even affect the economy. According to a 2019 United Nations study, the increase in the extinction rate has hurt agriculture. This shows how much of an impact that extinction can have. Since 2000, 20% of Earth's vegetative surface has become less productive. In the oceans, a third of fishing areas are being over-harvested in the oceans. Wildlife is a source of both costs and benefits to society. These are a list of endangered species, such as the black rhino, black forest elephant, Asian elephant, blue whale, chimpanzee, the red panda, the sea lion, sea turtle, the tiger, and a monarch butterfly. This is also a list of wildlife protection programs put in place, such as the Endangered Species Act, ESA, Wildlife Habitat Incentives Program, Wetlands Reserve Program, Conservation Reserve Program, Natural Resource Inventory Program, and a Conservation Technical Program. In conclusion, endangered species need to be protected from going extinct because that can have a major impact on all life, including human life. When one species goes endangered, that puts a risk to the whole entire ecosystem and can ruin the food chain and endanger the other animals and plants. It triggers the loss of other species when one species goes endangered. It is important to realize that this affects everybody in a negative way, even if people do not realize it. There are so many ways that endangered species have affected the economy, humans, and the ecosystem. Here's a few pictures of animals that are endangered, like the tiger, the panda, the red panda, and the black rhino.